Hello friends, welcome back to Login Helps. In today's video, I will be guiding you through the process to create a new Instagram account on your desktop. If you are watching us for the first time, subscribe to our channel by clicking on the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. To create a new Instagram account, you'll need to go to the web browser on your desktop and type Instagram sign up in the search bar. Now click the sign up option on the very first. After you do that, you'll need to fill in some information over here. You can either sign up using your Facebook or fill in the informations down below. I'm choosing to sign up using the second option, that is to fill in the phone number or email. You can choose any one way. Now enter your full name, provide the username, make sure your username is unique. Now create a strong password for your Instagram. Choose one that you can remember well for future use. Now click to sign up. You can choose either to save the password or click never as well. Enter your birth date here. Now click next. Now the 6-digit code is sent to your mobile number you entered previously. Use the code to verify your Instagram account. Now you're almost done. You can click the turn on button for notifications. Here are some suggestions for you, the people you can follow in order to see their photos or videos on Instagram. You can do it later on as well. Well, that is it guys. That's how you easily create an Instagram account on your desktop. You can even add photos to your profile and start connecting. Thank you for watching the video till the end. If you think it helped you at all, give us a thumbs up and comment down below in the comment section. I'll see you again with another help video soon. Till then, goodbye.